So the Panasonic Lumix S9 is going to be released soon, and one of the big things that was discussed was the simple fact that it currently has record time limits. 10 minutes for 6K, 15 minutes for 4K, and 20 minutes for 1080p. Now for some people, this might not be a problem, but for others who do much longer form content, this will definitely be an issue. But from videos that I've seen, I saw a lot of creators, they were able to record after the limit for about an hour, and for some people even more than an hour before the overheat warning came on. So I think that this is an issue that can be quote unquote fixed. And let me show you what I mean by that. So right here I have my Panasonic Lumix S5 2X. If you actually go to the menu and then you go to this wrench icon, there's an option here called thermal management, and the default is standard. But if you go here and choose high, you can set it to a high temperature mode. This is very similar to the high temperature mode that I had on my Sony a7 IV. And I think if Panasonic included this in a firmware update, this will basically remove that limit and then give users the power to actually control how they want to use their camera. And if it does overheat, then the overheat warning will come on. So I really hope that Panasonic does this so that we don't have that artificial record time limits on the Lumix S9.